Yo guys, what's up? How's it going? Today we're here at Tesla and we're going to trade some Tesla options. What? Are you crazy with all the movement Tesla's making? Well, I really like Tesla and I have to tell you, the options premium is back into Tesla. So look at this. 1 week, right? July 26th. Okay? And today is July 23rd. So for 3 days, we are going to make, let's see, $2,300. What? Are you crazy? That's insane. 10%? Yeah, that's what I'm saying. So let's go see if we can make this happen. And there it is. Look at that. It filled the Strangle. 23.18. Wow. Okay, let's go look. Let's look at the order. All right, they're both filled, right? Okay. So I have a put and a call. I'm good with this. So let's go look at our position in Tesla. All right, there's our position in Tesla. You can see now we have a put and a call. We just sold for $2,000. Now, if I can do that every week, that's $2,000 a week for a month, for a year. That's pretty good money. That's $100K or something. So you can't beat that. All right, guys, that's all I have for today. Be sure to stay tuned to see more on the ongoing Tesla saga, whether it's going to zero or it's going to the moon. Thanks for watching.